Hi, I'm Jennifer from Workroom Social. Now I'm going to show you how to use an edge stitch foot to make an edge stitch on fabric. So we have an edge stitch foot right here, and the first thing I'm going to do is just attach it to my machine. Okay, now you notice right now the needle is hovering right over a part of that foot. So the next thing you need to do after you attach your foot is to change your needle position. And so we actually want a left-handed position on the needle. So if I'm just on my machine on a straight, I'm in the middle, and then if I twist it, I'm going to swing my needle over to the left. So we're still making a straight stitch, it's just your needle is to the left. Okay, and then, so I have my fabric, and this is a prepared piece. So this is like the bottom of a hem or a placket on your shirt. This is a finished piece of fabric, and now I want to make a very pretty straight edge stitch on the fabric, which means that the stitching is very close to the edge. Edge stitch can be purely decorative, it can also be functional. And so I'm going to take my fabric with the presser foot up and put it underneath, and I'm going to lower the presser foot so that this prepared edge is resting right against this black component of my edge stitch foot. And the black part of this foot, it kind of provides a barrier for the fabric. So the fabric can't go any farther to the right. It hugs that line, so you get a really nice straight stitch. So before I start sewing, I'm going to just look back at my stitch length. And now I've been sewing on a 2.5 millimeter stitch length, which is a pretty standard length if you're attaching garment pieces together. For a top stitch or an edge stitch that is on the top that you see, I personally like a longer stitch length. So I'm going to switch my stitch length to 3.5, and then I'm just going to go ahead and sew. And you can see as I'm going, the fabric just rests right up against the presser foot right here. It can't go any more to the right. Great. And then there is your edge stitch. Very even with the folded side of the fabric, very straight and very professional looking. So that's how you do an edge stitch with an edge stitch foot.